So if you're an owner of a hotel, then this video is definitely for you, because in this video I'll show you how you can automate your WhatsApp conversations with an amazing AI assistant WhatsApp chatbot, that too without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Chatflow. So hello everyone, first of all let me show you how this amazing WhatsApp AI assistant chatbot is going to run in real time. Okay, now over here what I'll do is, towards this bot that I have created, I am going to ask for help. So for the message I'll write over here as I need help and send it. Okay, as soon as I've done that right over here, it says I'm here to help, what do you need assistant with? Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I will ask my first question. So my first question is going to be, I want to know about the prices of the rooms in your hotels. Okay, so I'll send this question right here. As soon as I've done that, it will take few seconds for the AI assistant to respond to your customers or leads. And you can see I've received the response, hi. Here are the prices for the rooms at Urban Nest Hotels. Over here you can see standard room, deluxe room, executive suite and the presidential suite. Okay, all bookings included complimentary breakfast and Wi-Fi. So right over here I received a response. Okay, now I want to know about the check-in and check-out time. So let's suppose I'll ask a question. What are the check-in and check-out timings? Okay, I'll send this question right over here, and as soon as I've sent this question, within few seconds I've received the answer. The standard check-in time is 12 p.m. and the checkout time is 11 a.m. If you need to request early check-in or late checkout, you can do so, and it will be subject to availability. Okay, so you can see I've received the response. Let me ask another last question right over here. So my last question over here is going to be, where are your hotels located? Okay, I'm going to send this question right here. And you can see I've received the reply. Urban Nest hotels are located in 4 major Indian cities: Bhopal, Indore, Mumbai and Delhi. Okay, and you can see the addresses are given. Okay, so now as this bot is auto replying to all my questions, this is how this amazing AI assistant is going to work in real time. Now let us create this AI assistant without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Chatflow. For that, what we are going to do is, on a new tab, we are going to browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. After we browse the website, Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear, where you will find 2 major options. Before we create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot, I want to let you know about Pabbly Community. Pabbly Community is a space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. In this space, you can get help from our team members and also the existing users. Over here, you can share your ideas, ask questions, and find amazing automation tips for your business. So go ahead and join our Pabbly community today. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description section below. Okay? Now, after coming to the Pabbly Chatflow's landing page, if you're a new user, that means you don't have an account with us, you can directly sign up for free and get 100 free credits every month to get started and explore more features. But if you're an existing user like I am, directly sign in from here. Then you will see the All Pabbly Apps section, where you can see all the applications. As I want to use Pabbly Chatflow, I click on this Access Now button. And then Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. You can add multiple WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. For that, simply go towards the Add WhatsApp Number button, where you will find 2 methods to add your number. If you want to learn the tutorials of how you can add your number through any of the methods from the given options, you will find the tutorial links in the description section. Pabbly Chatflow is an amazing platform through which businesses can handle and manage their WhatsApp conversations easily and efficiently. Over here we provide with multiple features like inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity log, settings, under which you will find multiple options. If you want to learn about each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, you can check out the video links in the description section below. Now to create a new AI assistant, simply you will find the section AI assistant, go towards that, and you can see right over here, then you will land towards the AI assistant page of Pabbly Chatflow. Now to create a new AI assistant, we have to click on this Add button right over here, and firstly we have to name our AI assistant. For the name over here, I will give it as Automate Customer Service with AI Assistant for Hotels. Okay, I'm going to add the assistant from here, and the AI assistant is then going to be added. After creating, we have certain section to complete this AI assistant, like AI instructions, knowledge source, assistant interface, and the styling. Okay, and we'll complete all these steps step by step. For the AI instructions, we have to select an instruction type. As I want to create an AI agent, I will select the example AI agent from here. After selecting the type, we have to give the instruction towards the agent. There are already pre-written instructions right over here. If you want to add your certain points to it, you can definitely add them according to your requirement. I will leave it as the same. Okay. Now after that, it is asking for the AI configuration, under which first point is temperature. Temperature is the creativity of the reply from the AI assistant. Do you want the reply to be more focused, or do you want more creative replies? The range starts from 0 to 1. 0 being more focused, 1 being very creative. I want a reply in between of these two situations. I want creative as well as focused responses. So I will select the temperature over here as 0.5. AI to use, I will select OpenAI right over here, and for the model, I will select GPT-4o Mini. You can select the model for more creative responses according to your requirement. Then we have to provide the API key. Now this key is founded in your OpenAI account. For that, go towards this hyperlink right here. Then you will land towards the API keys page of your OpenAI account. Then click on this create button to create a new key. We have to name our key. For the name over here, I will write it as AI assistant. Okay, then it is asking for the project. I will select the default permissions as all and create the key from here. Then simply I'll copy this key over here, paste it over here in the field, and click on this connect button. The connection is then going to be successfully created. This is how you connect your OpenAI account with this AI assistant right here. Okay, now next it is asking for the AI assistant settings. We have header message. If you want to add a header message or a footer message, you can definitely do that. Next is stop keywords. I'll toggle this button on. Now what are the stop keywords? So let's suppose a customer wants to stop this AI assistant. They want help. They don't want the help from this AI assistant anymore. So now what over here a customer or a lead can do is type in the stop keyword and the assistant is going to be closed. Okay, so now we can enter the stop keyword. Let's suppose as stop, thank you, like this. Okay, stop, thank you, or bye, like that. Okay, so you can add the keywords according to your requirement. Write the word and press the enter key to save the keyword. Okay, retry attempt, if you want you can give the retry attempt over here as well, and the fallback message. Now what is this fallback message? This message is going to be forwarded towards our customer or lead when this API key has any problem. When our OpenAI account has a problem, this fallback message is going to be forwarded. Okay, when the API key is not working properly, this message right here that we have entered can be forwarded. Okay, only in that case the fallback message is forwarded. Okay, so now we have completed our first section, that is AI instruction. Let's move on to the most important section that we have, that is the knowledge source. In the knowledge source, we have to add in the knowledge bases using which this AI assistant is going to give the answer towards our customers or leads who are asking us questions on WhatsApp. Okay, now we have to upload a file right over here. So I'll select the knowledge source as upload file. We have to upload the file right over here. Let me show you the basic knowledge source that I have created for my hotel just for the test. Okay, so this is the knowledge source that I have created for my business, Urban Nest Hotels. Okay, I have given the brief instruction of what it is. Okay, mission, vision, and what all the things that we provide, the benefits, policies, locations you can see right over here, pricing, accommodation services you can see right over here, additional services are also given, professional team, we have the support details, we have frequently asked questions, FAQs, example customer queries for AI assistant, conclusion, and I have extra FAQs also entered right here. So I have written this very detailed knowledge base. Okay, you also have to create a very detailed knowledge base according to your business. You have to add in all the details telling what your business is about, everything. You have to enter it in that knowledge base. Okay, that is why knowledge base is super important. And make sure no emojis are added in the knowledge base. We have to not add any emojis. Just simply write in things about your business that is super necessary. Okay, now using this knowledge base, this AI assistant is going to reply to all the queries. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we have to upload the knowledge base. We can upload it in two formats, the PDF format and the TXT format. If our PDF has an image included in it, the maximum page limit is 10. Okay, if the image is there, only 10. Okay, now to upload it, click click on this button right over here. I have this knowledge base. I'm going to open it. Okay. And then over here, the knowledge base is automatically going to be uploaded. Now, how can you check whether the knowledge base is added successfully or not? You will find it under the knowledge sources section. You can see right over here. If you have received the vector ID in your knowledge base, this means the base is successfully uploaded. Okay. Next is assistant interface. Now this assistant interface is going to be added on websites. Now you want to style that interface. For that, this section is there for you. You have to enter your brand name. My brand name is in the name of Urban Nest Hotels. So what I'm going to do is I'll simply add the brand name right over here, my business name. And as soon as I've written it, you can see right over here, it has been updated in this interface section as well. This is the display message. If you want, you can change this display message from this section. Initial messages, you can see this is an initial message. You can add 2 maximum number of initial messages in a bot. Okay. Now if you want to have this powered by Pabbly option, you can enable and disable according to your requirement. If you want a footer right over here, the hyperlink, you can add the link over here in this footer link section. Okay. Now over here, this is the user's first message. This is the initial message that users usually forward towards the bot. Okay. So now this is how you set up the assistant interface, and same with the styling. If you want to change the color, profile picture or the background, you can definitely select all the details according to your requirement from here. And this is how simple it is to create your own amazing AI assistant. Okay, firstly you have to activate this assistant that we have created. For this, toggle the button on and save the assistant from here, and the AI assistant has now been successfully created. We have to toggle this button on. It's compulsory, because if we don't do that, this AI assistant that we have created is not going to be activated. Okay, now if you want to add this assistant interface that we have created on your website, where you will find the code. For that, simply go to embedded, and this is the script code. You can see right over here. Copy it from here, paste it in your website code, and simply the assistant is going to be added. Okay, so now as this assistant is created successfully, let us test it. And how can we test it? By again sending a WhatsApp message towards this bot right here. So I'll open my WhatsApp from here. I'm going to write towards this assistant as I need help. As soon as I've written it over here, automatically the assistant is going to send me a reply. Okay, of course, I'm here to help. So I'll send this message right over here, that is, our spa service available in your package. Okay, so I'll write this question right over here towards this bot, and as soon as I have done that, it says yes, we offer spa services at Urban Nest Hotels. Spa therapy sessions are available for 1500 each. If you have any special request or need more details, feel free to ask. Okay, so now I have another question. I want to ask whether pets are allowed in the hotel or not. So I'll write a message over here as, are pets allowed in hotels? So I'm going to send this question right over here. As soon as I've forwarded this question, no, pets are not permitted inside the hotel premises. If you have any other questions or need assistance, feel to ask. Okay, so now my next question over here is, do you provide airport pickup in Mumbai? Okay, I'm going to send this question. As soon as I've done that, I've received the reply, we provide airport pickup and drop services in Mumbai for 1200 per trip. Okay, so you can see right over here, this AI assistant is automatically replying to all my questions using the data from this knowledge base, and we have created this amazing AI assistant without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Chatflow. So now what are you waiting for? Go ahead and create this amazing WhatsApp AI assistant for yourself as well, and automate your WhatsApp conversation without you lifting up your finger. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots according to your need with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any question, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can ask us query on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you want to try to create this bot for yourself, for your business, you can do it absolutely for free with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.